In this course, you'll quickly learn how to modify hundreds or thousands of videos with just a few keystrokes. Landscape to portrait, portrait to landscape, crop, scale or trim, add overlays, watermarks or frames, add subtitles, combine videos, add intros and outros, and more. Yes, it's all possible with just a few keystrokes using a magical app called FFmpeg. FFmpeg is free to use, and we'll show you how in a matter of minutes. Hey, I'm Matthew Giorgio.
And I'm Joni Cunningham.
We developed this course to help save you hundreds or even thousands of hours of time when working with videos. If you're spending time repurposing videos for multiple social media platforms and other purposes, this course is for you. In less than 1 hour, we'll show you how to use FFmpeg, a magical video app that can save you thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars, or even more on production costs. And the FFmpeg app is completely free. It's open source software, and you can run it on a new or old computer.
Check out this example. Let's say you have a video that is in landscape format and you want to convert it to portrait. What most people do is import the video into a video editing program like Adobe Premiere or iMovie, make some adjustments, and then republish. It's pretty easy, no problem. But what if you have not one but several videos? What if you have dozens of videos? What if you have hundreds or thousands of videos? Now it's a problem. You'll have to grind through hours and hours of time trying to repeat the process, or spend hours trying to learn about special scripting features that may or may not be available in your video editing app.
That's what we used to do until we discovered FFmpeg. With FFmpeg, we can copy and paste the command we need and boom, let it run. You're watching hundreds of videos being processed. We can walk away and come back when it's done, or move the window to the background while we work on other tasks.
In this course, we have collected the most commonly needed video processing functions, and we provide you with the exact commands that you can copy and paste. We also include an explainer video for every command to make it super easy to understand.
It took us a lot of time and effort to research, test, and organize the content for this course, because when you first look at FFmpeg, it's very intimidating. There's no nice user interface to make it appear easy, and most people who work on FFmpeg tend to be highly technical. We're both engineers who've been in the tech industry for over 25 years, and it took us a lot of time to figure it all out. But you don't have to.
We've made it so easy with step-by-step instructions that you'll be processing your first video within 30 minutes or less. We even designed the course so you don't have to go through all of it. You can pick and choose the commands you need whenever you need them.
This course is designed for people who want to immediately start using FFmpeg to process videos. It's not designed to teach you heavy technical concepts and jargon. Let's get started.